Good morning children, welcome to your literacy skill class. Today we will do page number 69. Take out page number 69 and I will explain to you the activity or the task that is given there. Okay. So here the activity says correct the use of articles in the following sentences. Write the sentence with the correct article. You have to use the correct article in the sentences and you have to write the sentence with the correct article. Once again, here the exercise is like this. Once a sentence is written, you have to again write the whole sentence using the correct article. If you wish, you can write the entire sentence once again, and if you want to just correct the article and write the article with the word given, you can write only the article and the word only also here. Okay. Suppose the first sentence is given and pencil is used for writing, and you will see the word just after the article. And is the article, so you will see the word just right after this. It is pencil. Pencil starts with P. P is not a vowel. So here it will not be and it will be a pencil. Okay. A pencil is used for writing. Okay. You can write the whole sentence once again if you want, or you can just write this much, a pencil. Just write the correction portion that you have done, or you can write the full sentence. It is up to you. Now the second sentence is give him a orange please. Give him a orange please. Now where is the article? Here it is. Article is here. So we will see the word just after it. It is orange. Orange starts with O. O is a vowel. So it will be a and here. So the sentence will be give him an orange please. It will not be a, it will be an orange because here it is a vowel. So it will be an orange. You can write the full sentence or you can just write this much, an orange, in the line here, given here. Now number 3 sentence. Third sentence is John wants to wear an uniform. John wants to wear an uniform. The article here is an. So the just after word is uniform. Now you will find here U is a vowel. So you will think it is correct. Here an is written because it is a vowel. No, you have to see the pronunciation of uniform. When you say uniform, it sounds as if it starts with Y, because Y-O-U is U. So it is sounding like uniform. Uniform, Y. So Y is not a vowel. So you will not write an in front of uniform. It will always be a uniform. The answer becomes like this. John wants to wear a uniform. Few words are there that start with a vowel but their pronunciation says, like when you hear the word, you will feel as if the word is not starting with a vowel. It's starting with a consonant. There you have to put A, not an. Okay. So it is a uniform. You can write the whole line or you can just write a uniform in the line here. Now we have number 4. We have an holiday today. These 4, 5, 6 and 7. This you will do by yourself. This is your home task. Okay. We have an holiday here. Holiday. It is not a vowel. So it will, we have a holiday here. A octopus have 8 legs. It will not be a octopus. O is a vowel. An octopus. Mohan give me an pen. An pen. No, P is not a vowel. So it will be a pen. I ate a apple. Apple, A is a vowel. So it will be I ate an apple. You will do the task by yourself. 3 sentences I have shown you. Rest 4 sentences you will do by yourself and show me. Okay? And I will also show you the answers of our previous task. Okay? I will give you the screenshot. Goodbye.